Hi everyone. Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, Miraj.
Okay. Hi. Good evening. How are you? Okay, so today we'll start our topic dynamic routing protocol. Okay. So in the routing protocol, I already told you that what we are going to discuss and why we are using the dynamic routing protocol. What is the reason to use these protocols? Okay, so today we will discuss about this. Just wait for 2 minutes. I think only 4 participants are here. Just wait for two more students. If they will not connect in 2 to 3 minutes, we will start. Okay. Okay, let's start. First of all, we will discuss about what were the issues related to static routing. So what was the issues in static routing? Okay, let's see. Okay, first issue was manual configuration. Okay, like yesterday, I already told you what was the issue. First issue was manual configuration. Second issue was always always define the destination network and next hope device IP. Okay, I already told you that when I will connect a new network, new device, you have to update the information of that device in every single router. So that was a big problem. That's why we don't use the static routing in big networks. Okay. Next, no authentication. Okay. There's nothing like authentication in what? In the static routing. In static routing. Okay. Fourth one is what? No automatic convergence. Okay. Fifth is what? What? Fifth is what? No timers. Okay. And what is the sixth one? Sixth one is no best path selection. Okay. Dear, you will ask me that, sir, what is the meaning of automatic convergence and no timers? Right? Okay. Do anyone know what is the meaning of this? Automatic convergence or the timers? What is the meaning of timers and automatic convergence? Hello? Hello? Anyone?
Automatic convergence means dynamically rerouting.
Okay. The automatic convergence means dynamic rerouting. And what about the timers?
the certain time period after during which this will reroute its path.
Okay. So let me tell you what is the meaning of automatic convergence and timers in routing. Okay. Dear, if I am having two routers like this, two or more routers, one, two, three routers, okay, and some PC is connected to these switches, okay, I have a network like this, okay, wait for a while. Let me connect the serial port first of all, then it will be done. Okay. Okay. If I'm having a network like this, dear, okay, wait for a while. Okay, dear, if I'm having a network like this, okay, and what happened that this router, which one router? This router turned off. What? This router automatically turned off, or this router automatically turned off, or what happened that this network, this link goes down. What will happen in static routing? These devices will not have any information about the neighbor. Are the neighbors connected or not? What will happen in static routing? There will be no information of disconnection of a neighbor. These are the neighbors. If any link broken, just assume that this link is broken, or this either this link is broken, or any link is disconnected or broken. Okay, what will happen? There is no update on any router that link is not working. This is happen in static routing. No update about neighbors. Okay, there is no update about neighbors, that are the neighbors connected or not. Okay, and what about the convergence? What is the meaning of convergence? Dear, the meaning of convergence is what? Let's assume that we had a network like this. This was my network. This was my network like this. Okay, this was my network, and I connected. I have connected one more router here and disconnected this link. What I have done, I have just disconnected this link and connected one more router here. So will these router have any information about the new router connected or not? In static routing, do we have any neighbor update? Automatic update about neighbor in static routing? We don't have any update about neighbor, and there is no convergence. That means if the link is broken, that link that link is not working, and in static routing, these router will not select automatically this path. This path will automatically not selected. This path will not be selected automatically. In case of static routing, these router will not select this path if this path will be broken. right or not? And selecting a new path when an old network is broken, when an existing network is not is broken, that is called automatic convergence, right or not?
Can you please explain it again?
Okay, here let me tell you what is happening. Okay, what is the meaning of convergence first of all? Okay, I have two routers. Okay, these are connected like this. Okay, perfect. What I have
Okay.
done, okay, by mistake, this link is broken. Okay, okay. So
Okay.
this router will not have any information about the disconnected router. This router will not have any information about the neighbor. Is this connected or not connected? Because these router don't have any timer, first of all. Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Yep.
And what is the meaning of convergence? Dear, if there is a change in network, what if there is any change in network, no router will auto automatically select new routes. That means if there is a change in network, we have we are attaching one more router in our network. Like I have connected one more router like this. These routers will don't have any update about these routers, any new router in case of static routing like we have done yesterday. Okay,
Okay.
okay now.
Yeah.
Okay, and if there will be one more path, like I have connected this path and I have disconnected this link, so that is called convergence. What? This router will automatically start to sending data via this router, dear. This is called convergence. Automatically selecting new path. If one path is not available, if this link is not available, it will automatically select this link. Okay,
Okay.
okay, that is called the convergence. So there was no convergence in what?
Conversion.
Convergence. Here is the word automatic convergence.
Okay.
Okay, there is nothing called convergence. Okay, perfect. So these were the issue in static routing. I already told you all of these issues yesterday. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So to solve
Okay.
all of these issues, we introduced our dynamic routing protocols. Dynamic routing protocols. Okay. So what were the benefits of dynamic routing protocol? Was semi-automatic, what? Semi-automatic, or we can say semi-automatic configuration. Okay, first of all, we have to do a fewer configurations. Okay, first of all. Second one is what? Always, always define self node only. Okay, like if I talk about yesterday's, so this was my network like this. Here this was my network, right? Every time I have to give the information of indirectly connected networks, right or not? If you do remember the yesterday's class or our previous class, I have to give the information of all the indirectly connected networks every time, right or not?
Yeah.
Okay. But now, in case of dynamic routing, I have to give the information of directly connected networks only. This will automatically get the information of indirectly connected network by the help of dynamic routing protocol. Okay, now, so you get the point. What is the meaning of self node only? That means I have to define my network only. Okay, directly connected network. Okay, what is the third one? Third point is what? In case of dynamic routing, in case of dynamic routing, we have timers. Okay, by the help of timers, you can check, or the routers will automatically check, is the neighbor available or not? Is the neighbor available or not? In every 30 second or 180 second, these will send some timers. Okay, we will discuss about the timers. Okay, and fourth one is what? Authentication. Authentication support. Okay, what is the meaning of authentication? Dear, this is a part of what? That we can assign the password or something like this to protect our networks. Okay, that can be possible in case of dynamic routing only. Okay, what about the fifth one? This is loop prevention mechanism. I already told you yesterday that if there will be any loop in static routing, we cannot prevent the loop. Okay, what will be what will be the sixth one? Sixth one is what? Best path, best path selection. We can the routers will automatically select the best path in case of what? Dynamic routing by the help of algorithms. Okay, there are so many algorithms. By the help of that one, the routers will select an automatic path. Okay, and there is something called automatic convergence. Automatic convergence in dynamic routing. Okay, and last one, that there are three protocols protocols used by the dynamic routing, and these protocols are what? To send data. Okay, these are what? TCP, UDP, and RTP. Okay, so dynamic routing will use these protocols to send the data. So any confusion about this?
No.
Okay, so let's start with our so what are the protocols in dynamic routing first of all? Okay, dynamic routing has two types of protocols. Okay, there are two types of protocol in dynamic routing. What are these protocols? There are two types of protocol. Dear, first of all, interior gateway protocol, that is called IGP protocol. Another one is exterior gateway protocol. Okay, that is EGP. Okay, IGP protocol can be used inside a LAN network. Okay, and if I talk about EIGRP, it can be used in LAN or WAN both. Okay, so what are the protocols that are in IGP? What are EGP protocols? So IGP protocols are RIP, EIGRP, OSPF, and ISIS. ISIS. Okay. What about the wide area network? We have only one protocol, that is called BGP, and that is responsible for the internet. This is the only protocol which is responsible for the internet, okay, on wide area network. Okay. So what we will discuss? We will discuss about these three in CCNA. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Okay. And after completion of CCNA, if it will be possible, we can take a class of BGP. But that will be after finishing the CCNA. Okay. So that depend on the time. Okay. So what is the routing protocol? There there are two types of what? Two types of dynamic routing protocol. Okay. Protocol. What are the types of dynamic routing protocol? First one is what? Distance vector protocol. Okay. And there's a sub part of the distance vector protocol that is called advanced distance vector protocol. Okay. And second one is what? Link state routing protocol. Okay. Now come to the RIP protocol. Okay. So dear, your first protocol is RIP protocol, RIP protocol, routing information protocol. Okay. Routing information protocol. Okay. So dear, this protocol uses UDP to send the data. Okay, first of all, this protocol will use the UDP protocol to send the data and has the UDP port number, which one? 520. Okay, for the for the loop prevention, it will use there. I think there are so many theories here, right? Bellman Ford algorithm. Okay, algorithm for what? For the loop prevention. Okay. Second one is what? There are timers, timers in RIP protocol. Okay. There are timers in RIP protocol. First one is update, update timer. Okay. Update timer send an update in every 30 seconds. Okay. Second one is what? Hold timer. Okay. Hold timer is of 180 seconds. Okay. Third one is what? Invalid timer. It is also 180 seconds. Okay. Fourth one is what? Flush timer. Okay. That is also 240 seconds. Okay. Now, what is the most important point is that routing information protocol can work up to 15 hops. Okay. We can only use this protocol for the 15 hops. That means 16 routers can be used here. Okay. Up to 16 routers, this protocol can work. After that, it will not work. Okay. After that, it will be unavailable. Okay, everyone, or unreachable. So, any confusion about any point? Because there are so many theoretical points. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, everyone. Okay, let's move to practical now. I know that is somehow boring because this is so there are so many theoretical part here in these protocols. Okay, but we
What
will do.
What
But
was the last statement you wrote? RIP can work up to 150 hops.
no, 15 hops.
15.
Yeah.
Okay.
15 hops only, not 150.
That is what I got confused.
Yeah, 15 hop only. After that, it will be unreachable. Okay, dear. So we will do the practical for the RIP protocol now. Okay, here we will discuss all about all. Okay, like we have three routers and three switches connected like this. One, two, three, and we have three pieces here. One, two, three, four, and six pieces here. First of all, let me open. Let me connect the serial link. Okay, for this one also. Then we will give the IP address. Okay, let me turn on this device. Okay, this is turned on. Let me check the third one also. We will add some serial extension here, serial port. Okay, so this is done now. Okay, let me connect the cables. Okay, this is my network now. So here I will allot the same network as I allotted yesterday. Okay, let's allot the like this 192.168.10.0. I will allot here 192.168.11.0 here, 192.168.12.0 here, 192.168.13.0 here, 192.168.14.0 here. Okay. So what will be the IP addresses? Let me give the IP addresses also 192.168.10.2. This is 10.3 and gateway will be 10.1. Okay. What about the what about this one? So 11.1 will be on this interface, 11.2 will be on in this interface. Okay. What about this one? Let me give the IP address. This is 12.2 and this will be 12.3 like yesterday. Okay, and this will be 12.1. Okay, this is 13.1 and 13.2. Okay, and this is 14.1, 14.2 and 14.3. Here every time you have to give IP address. Okay, and you can also give these IP address by the help of what? By the help of what? DHCP server. Okay, I already told you how to make the DHCP server. Now everyone can give the IP addresses or not?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, but that will take so much time. We will directly give the IP address to save the time. Okay. Desktop 192.2.168.10.2 and this will be 10.1 here. Okay, let's give the IP address to this one also. Desktop 192.168.10.3 and this will be 10.1 for the gate. Okay, let's come to this one also. Let's give the IP address first. 12.2 and 12.1 will be the gateway. Okay, let's give the IP address to this one also. 12.3 and 12.1 is the gateway. Okay, so let's come to this point. 14.2. Okay, 14.2, what will be the gateway? 14.1. Okay, here every time you have to give the IP address 14.3 and 14.1. There's no shortcut for the same. Okay, so you can see that we have given up the IP address to all the pieces. Let's give the IP address to our router. Okay, okay, enable configuring terminal. Okay, interface G0/0/0. Okay, IP address 192.168.10.1 255.255.255.0 and what will be the command? No shutdown. Okay, everyone. Okay, about the next one, interface as 0/1/0, no shutdown. Okay, IP address 192.168.11.1. Okay, 255.255.255.0. Okay, so let's give the IP address to this router also. No enable configuring terminal. Okay, interface gig port 0/0/0/0/0, no shutdown. Okay, IP address 192.168.11, this is 12.1. Okay, 255.255.255.0. Okay, exit interface as 0/1/0. Okay, no shutdown. Okay, IP address 192.168.11.2. Okay, this is 11.2. Okay, so I have just given up the IP address here. Okay, exit interface as 0/1/1, no shutdown. Okay, IP IP address 192.168.13.1.255.255.255.0. Okay, everyone. Okay, what about the last one? Let's give the IP address to this one also. CLI, no enable configuring terminal. Okay, interface G0/0/0, no shutdown. IP address 192.168.14.1.255.255.255.0. Okay, exit interface. Which one? Interface as 0/1/0, no shutdown. Okay, IP address 192.168.13.225, IP address 255.255.255.255.0. Okay, everyone. That's it. Okay. So we have given up the given the IP address to each and every single router now. Okay. Okay, everyone.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
I
okay.
I already did this configuration yesterday and day I think day before yesterday I already have these configurations, so you already know about all these. So I have to give the IP address. Now come to the point of a point that how to apply the protocol. Okay, here that is simple. First of all, let's check is there any protocol working or not. Show IP protocols. Okay, when you will give this command show IP protocol, that will not give any answer. Okay, you can also write show IP protocol summary protocol summary. Okay, summary. Okay, this is not working. Okay. I think this is the right. Okay, show IP protocols. Okay. So there is no protocol working here. Let me check on this one also. Exit show IP protocols. There's no protocol working here. And let me check on third one also. Exit show IP protocols. There's no protocol working. That's why there's no answer. Okay, there's no output. Okay, so let's do the configuration first of all. Configuring terminal. There, how to do the configuration? Just This is the simple configuration router rip. What? Router rip. Okay. This is asking about the networks. Dear, what are the directly connected network to my this router? What are the directly connected networks here? Hello. Hello.
10.0, 11.
Okay. So 192.168.10.0, 192.168.11.0. What about this one? 192.168.11.0,
12.
192.168.12.0, and 192.168.30.0. Okay.
13.0.
About this one, 192.168.13.0, 192.168.14.0.
14.
These are the directly connected networks. Just give the configuration of these directly connected networks. First of all, let's go this one. Okay. Okay. So just give the information about these networks. So network 192.168.10.0. Okay. Network 192.168.11.0. Okay. That is sufficient. Okay. Let's come to this one. This router. Okay. Configuring terminal. Okay. Router rep. Okay. What will be the command? Network 192.168. Which one? 11.0. This will be 12.0. This will be 13.0. Okay.
So every time whenever we configure any dynamic routing protocol, we need to define
Define the self networks only. Self connected networks. Okay.
Okay. So
Yeah.
this is applicable for all three protocols.
All the three protocols, and the configuration will be same, but in case of OSPF and DIGRP, we will add router ID.
Okay.
We will give the router ID and AS number, autonomous system number. So we will discuss about the EIGRP tomorrow we will discuss about the EIGRP. In that one we will discuss about the autonomous one. Okay. What is the AS number? Okay. Let's come to yes. Hello. Hello. Okay. Any question? Router RIP. Okay. Network 192.168.13.0, 192.168.14.0 and exit. Okay. Dear, if I will run a command, which command? Exit show IP route. Here you can see I have the information of indirectly connected networks. Right or
Can you
not?
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
I have a question. Why we do network IP for?
Why I have given up these networks?
Yeah.
Dear, like we did yesterday, we have given the information of, we have configured the information of indirectly connected networks, right? If you do
Each
remember.
router.
On each
Yeah.
router. But
Okay.
now this is dynamic routing protocol. It will automatically get the information of indirectly connected networks. You have just to apply the protocol. It will automatically get the information of all the indirectly connected networks.
So
Did I
we
have
should.
given? Yes.
Yeah. Go ahead. Yeah. Go ahead,
So,
please.
so can you tell me here? Do I have configured or given up the information of any single indirectly connected network? Do I have updated? Did I updated any indirectly connected network here? I mentioned any indirectly connected network here?
No.
No. But if you will open the summary of networks, here you will find the indirectly connected networks like 12.0, 13.0, and 14.0. You can see that 13.0, 14.0 is not connected directly. These are indirectly connected networks. But this router has the information of all the indirectly connected networks, right or not? How? How? By the help of RIP protocol. By the help of RIP protocol, these routers are getting the information of indirectly connected network. Okay. If I will check here, show IP route. Here you will see what is the meaning of R. R means RIP protocol. RIP protocol forwarded the information of indirectly connected networks. Okay. Okay. Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, let's check third one also. Exit show IP route. Okay. You can see first three are indirectly connected networks. And this information is forwarded by the RIP protocol. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now the question is that when you will run, when you will put this command show IP protocol, here you will find that the running protocol is RIP protocol. Which protocol is running? Hello?
Where?
Rip.
RIP protocol is running. This RIP protocol is sending the update to the neighbors, a hello message in every 30 seconds. It is sending the update to the neighbors. Okay. If you will see, time is running here 6 seconds, right? This is 11 second now, 14 second now, 17 second now, 22 second now, 25 second now, and this is 3 here again. That means it is sending the update to the neighbor 11.2 in every 30 seconds. Right or not?
Yes.
Okay. And it is showing the routing of networks, that is 11.0 and 10.0. Okay. You can see that the hold and invalid time is what? 180 second. After 180 second, it will flush the information. Okay. Let's see, will the router flush the information or not? Let's check. Okay. Okay, everyone. Let's see. It will flush the information of the indirectly connected networks or not. Okay. Let me disconnect this link. Which one? Let me disconnect this link first of all. Okay. Then we will see that is there any information of this 14.0 network in this router or not. Okay. After 180 seconds. Okay. Let me disconnect this one and we open the router. Okay. Show IP route. Here you can see we have the information all the three indirectly connected networks or not, right?
Yes.
After 180 seconds, can I fast forward the time? Okay, let me fast forward the time up to 180 seconds. After 180 seconds, let's see is this available or not. Dear, here can you find the 14.0 or 13.0? Can you see
12.0
it?
only 12 and 11.
Only 12 and 11. That means this router automatically flush the information of indirectly connected networks that is disconnected. That means after 240 seconds, automatically the router will delete the information of indirectly connected networks. Okay. Let me delete this one link also. Okay. Let me delete this link also. Okay. I have deleted this link. Now I will check show IP protocol. Here you can see this is sending update or not. This is still sending update, still sending update, still sending update, still sending update. There you can see now this here I can see the time is 31. Why this is 31? Because it is waiting for 180 second, right? 44, 49, 52. You can see invalid timer is 180 second. There it will wait for 180 second to get a response from the neighbor. What is the meaning of 180 second? That means 3 minutes. It will wait for 3 minutes to get the response from the neighbor. If it will not get any response from the neighbor within 3 minutes, it will flush the information of neighbors, right? We will see that. Let me fast forward now. Here, show IP protocol. The time is now 3 minutes. Okay. And we know that after 240 seconds, the data will be deleted. Can I still see the data? Dear, data is flushed now. Can you see any data of neighbor?
No.
No, because that is automatically flushed by the routing information protocol, RIP protocol, after 240 seconds. Let me connect these again and we'll see in how much time it will get the data. Okay, let me open the timer again. Show IP protocol. This timer is running. Okay, and let me check the routing information. There quickly it is getting the routing information within a few seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. It is getting all the information of neighbors, right or not? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, my router got the information of all the connected router or indirectly connected network within a second. You can see that the information is available everywhere. Okay, enable show IP route. Here you can see that the indirectly connected networks information are available, and that is done quickly. Why? Because RIP protocol is working. Now the question is what? Next question is what? What is the best path selection mechanism? Dear, let me make a loop here now. Okay, let me make a loop here. This is my loop now. Okay, so let's see which path will be automatically selected. Okay, show IP route. Okay, I can see that this router has selected which path. Same information is available here, right or not?
Yes.
Okay, so wait, hold on. No. Okay, let me try to ping. Okay, ping 192.168.12.2 first. Okay, let me open the simulation also here. Parallelly, I will open the simulation and let's see what will happen. Okay, here this is what an ICMP signal is generate. It will generate an ICMP signal, right or not?
Yes.
Okay, this ICMP signal will be forwarded to my router, my switch, and switch will broadcast to the router and other PC, right? And this will be again goes back to my router, my PC again. Okay, and
As a
with
ping
it will,
response.
yeah, it will again forward because first will be lost. Here you can see the communication is going on. Okay, after some time it will send the next packet. Let me check. Okay, this is next ICMP signal now. Okay, here it will generate the next ICMP signal. Okay, and that will also work in the same way. Okay, right or not? Now what will happen if I will try to ping? If I will try to ping this PC, which one? If I will try to ping this PC 14.2, what will happen? Let's see. Okay, let me open the simulation and try to ping that one. Okay, we'll see is there any loop or not. Will there be any loop? Fourteen dot two. Okay, dear, is there any loop formation or not? Let's see. Okay, when I will ping, an ICMP signal will be generated and it will work in the same way. Okay, that will be forwarded to what? Router now, and router will forward this to another router, and that is again forwarded to this router, and in the same way this will be broadcasted. Okay, let's wait for new signal of the ICMP and we'll see what is happening. Okay, okay, here is this is new ICMP signal now. Okay, this will be forwarded to your router, your switch, then your router, and it will be forwarded to your where your next router now, and again forwarded to where your next router, and it will be forwarded to where your router and to the next router. Okay, this is then. So now what will happen? Everything is okay now. You can see the packet is packet is hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, is there any loss of packet? No.
No, till
Okay,
now, no.
what I will do, what I will do, I will open my new link now. Okay, let me open my new link now. This is my new link. Let me give first of all a network to this 192.168. Which will be the network? This will be the 15.1. Okay, 15.0. Okay, let me give the network first of all 15.0. What will be the IP addresses? 192.168.15.1. Okay, 192.168.15.2. Okay, and let's see, let me give IP address to the router interfaces also. Okay, configuring terminal. Okay, IP address interface as 0/1/1 IP address 192.168.15.1. Okay, 255.255.255.0. Okay, and no shutdown. Okay, and let me turn on this also, configuring terminal. Okay, interface as 0/1/1. Okay, no shutdown. Okay, IP address 192.168.15.2 255.255.0. Okay, active. Okay, so let's see is the neighbor information available or not. Show IP route. Okay, Is there any neighbor information available?
Yes, 10.0, 14.0.
15.0 and 14.0 is available now. Okay. Both 15.0 and 14.0 available. Okay. Let me check this one also. Exit, show IP route. Okay. Same is here 192.168.12.13. Okay. Here 15 is available. Okay. 15.2. Okay. Now let me check what will happen if I will try to pick. Okay. This is the same processor. ICMP signal will be generated. The packet will be forwarded. Okay. This is happening in the same way. Okay. New ICMP signal that is working on the same way. Okay. Now what will happen? What is happened? Let's give this network to the RIP protocol also. Okay. Let do the configuration of RIP again. Configuring terminal router RIP. Okay. Network 192.168.15.0. Okay. Exit and again just give the information of this new network configuring configuring terminal router RIP. Okay. Network 192.168.15.0. Okay. Done. This is done now. Okay. Exit. Show IP route. Okay. Dear, what will happen? Now you have two choices. Okay. This path number 1 and path number 2 to send the data from this PC to this PC. Okay. Now anyone can tell me which path it will follow when I will send the packet now from here to here, which path it will follow. Now the packet will follow which path?
One via
One.
one.
Okay. One. Okay. Any other? All of you are agree with one? Okay, let me open the simulation and we'll check what will happen. 14.2. This is ping command now. And this will be forwarded to the router and you can see what has happened that your routers automatically have selected the path 1. Path 1 is selected automatically selected first path first path. Your router's RIP protocol automatically selected the first path. Why why the RIP protocol automatically selected this path? Okay.
That's the number of.
Yeah, you are right. Right. RIP protocol RIP protocol works on the RIP protocol select the path on the basis of least hop count. Hop count. So in this case, the least hop count is on this path. That's why your RIP protocol automatically selected the path first. Okay. So dear, any question about the RIP protocol? Any confusion? Any question about RIP protocol now? Hello.
So broadly, there are three things in RIP. One is this will the update timers.
Yeah,
Seconds.
update timers, hello timers, and invalid timer, hold timer, and last one is flush timer. Yeah,
And path selection would be based on hope count.
yeah, hop count. and there can be maximum 15 hop count. Okay,
Yes.
because and we will discuss the OSPF in detail. Okay, OSPF deeply because in interview there's the least chance or there's the least chance that you will use the RIP protocol anyway.
Is
Okay,
it used in real networks? RIP?
RIPs there is nothing like RIP protocol in real network. You will not use the RIP. That is limited. This protocol is very limited.
Okay.
In some special cases, we use the RIP protocol in local area network in a very small network because RIP protocol will use the UDP to send the data. That's why we don't use the RIP protocol. There can be the loss of data. That's why. And it is limited up to 15 hops, means after 16 routers we cannot use the 17th router. That's why this protocol is not used. And this page, if I talk about the CCNA, the now in your CCNA syllabus, RIP protocol and EIGRP is not there. Okay, RIP and EIGRP, but for the knowledge purpose, I'm discussing about the RIP protocol. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
that is all about the knowledge purpose. And EIGRP also, because EIGRP is a Cisco property that is not an open source. That's why uh, that's why the corporate in case of corporate scenario we have least chance of using the EIGRP protocol. Okay, everywhere you will see the OSPF and BGP. Everywhere you will find the BGP and OSPF on.
And
Okay, so okay, that's all for today. And tomorrow we will discuss about the EIGRP and we will take at least 2 days to cover up the OSPF. Okay.
okay.
Okay, everyone. Have a good day. Your 4 class is pending now. Okay, there are total 4 to 5 class now.
Okay. In
Okay,
OSPF, we'll be doing some troubleshooting scenarios also.
yes, we will do. Dear, we will do the deep study about that. Okay.
Thank you.
Well,